Hello everyone, this is Neelesh Indira Murumkar. Would like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. It has started raining, my God. Yeah? Out of curiosity guys, you might simply take your mobile in your hand and simply dial your friend's number. The very first question, for sure, you're gonna ask your friend, that is, hey, what's the weather like out there? Is it raining? Or you might find one of your family members at door. You are simply sitting on the sofa, might inquire, how's it outside? Is it raining? Guys, aren't these questions very common these days? Oh yes, they are. And I'm here to answer all these questions. Guys, the most common way to say about rain, that is, it's raining. Isn't it very common? Oh yes, it is. But we must consider the light rain as well as a very heavy rainfall. When it comes to describing light rain and a very heavy rainfall, we need to go through a few sentences. Now I'm going to teach you 4 to 5 ways which are going to help you like anything. Now let's look at them. The very first, that is, it's raining lightly. It's again very common. When it is raining lightly, yeah, you can use it, it's raining lightly. The second, I'm going to tell you, but before I tell you, I would like you to just go a little bit back. Did you watch that movie called Mohra? In that particular movie, there is a very nice song called Tipu Tipu Barsa Pani. You know, what is the manner of raining over there? Tipu Tipu. So if you want to describe that kind of rain, you can say it's spitting. Yeah, it's spitting. The next, that is, it's drizzling. So guys, what is drizzling? It is more than spitting and less than raining. So it's drizzling. And then last not the least, that is, it's sprinkling. So this is all about light rain. Friends, if you go on searching, you would find multiple ways of description, or there will be plenty of words which are actually out there. They can describe light rain, but I think these 4 ways are more than enough. You don't need to go and keep looking for different words. Let's talk about now the heavy rainfall. So guys, right now we are going to talk about heavy rainfall. So how to describe that? Again, there are multiple ways when it comes to describing heavy rainfall. I have written a few of them on the board. So the very first, that is very common actually, it's raining heavily. It's very common. Everyone uses it. The second one, you might be very much familiar with this too, because I personally have been using it. So it's raining cats and dogs. But guys, when I was reading a few articles, in those articles it was written that don't use it's raining cats and dogs, and there was no exact reason given. So I don't know why they said it. If you know it, please put that into comment box. But I have been using it and no one has ever questioned me when I used it. So that's fine, you can use it. It's raining cats and dogs. It means it's raining heavily. The next, that's my personal favorite. Guys, I'm used to watching cricket match. I watch a lot of cricket match. The same happened the other day. There was a cricket match at 2 o'clock. I got a little bit late. I switched on my TV at 2:30. I thought the match must have started. But there was Ravi Shastri. Yes, again, when I watch cricket match, I love listening to English commentary, especially Harsha Bhogle and Ravi Shastri. These both are my favorite because they speak wonderful English. So as far as Ravi Shastri was concerned, he was there and he was saying something. So he was saying that match has been abandoned, match has been called off. And the reason that he gave, he said that it's absolutely bucketing down. At that time, the very first time I heard bucket down. And when I searched this particular word, I got to know that it means it's raining heavily. So this is also one of the ways you can say when it comes to raining heavily, and if you want to speak about that, so you can say it's absolutely bucketing down. Yeah. The next, it's pouring. It means that it is raining like anything. Okay. Last not the least, that is, it's really coming down out there. So this is also one of the ways when it comes to describing it's raining heavily. So you can go through this 4 to 5 ways to talk about raining heavily. Now last not the least, I'm going to talk about 2 more constructions. Those are very important, guys. Okay. The very first construction, that is, let's imagine that the rain has started. It has started, and the pattern of rain is like it starts and it stops. It starts and it stops. So it happens over a period of time, right from the beginning till the end. It happens over a period of time. So at that time, you can come up with a construction like it has been raining on and off all day. So this is one construction you can talk. The second I'm going to talk, this is also very important. Let's imagine that you want to visit your friend. You want to go to your friend's place. You take your scooter, and now you're riding your scooter. You just see around, there is no sign of rain. So you're not at all prepared. You are not having your raincoat with you or an umbrella with you, because there is no sign of rain. And all of a sudden, it starts raining. And what is the manner? It rains heavily. So it is an unexpected heavy rain and very sudden rain. So that kind of rain is called as downpour. And as you're going to visit your friend soon, so as you got caught in the middle, so you can simply take again your phone and call your friend and inform him, I was about to come to your place, but really sorry, I am unable to make it because I got caught in downpour. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for the day. Hold on, let me know what's the weather like out there at your place, and tell me, please put that into the comment box, which one is your favorite. Please put that. And guys, as usual, on this Sunday also, sharp at 4:30, I'm going to come up with a very inspirational story. So don't forget to watch that. Bye bye for now. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.